Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure controls are set to manual or advanced so the cursor responds precisely. This gives you full agency over the keeper. Next, assign the keeper cursor to a comfortable button or analog stick. Do this now so you avoid fumbling in matches. Then enter training mode and practice basic positioning for 5-10 minutes, focusing on angle coverage and when to engage. Once done, you'll feel the responsiveness and understand why the cursor mapping matters for every save attempt. Once you've practiced, use the cursor proactively to cut angles instead of sprinting directly at the ball. That reduces open net vulnerability. Make anticipatory moves on through passes, shift the cursor 0.5 to 1 second ahead when attackers commit, which helps you intercept runs. When shots arrive, combine manual dives with precise stick flicks for directional saves. This preserves reaction time and reduces mistakes. Make sure to alternate aggressive rushes and conservative positioning, depending on opponent body language and shot power. To finalize your skill, refine reaction timing using mixed shot drills. Practice low and high shots so you adapt quickly. If you find yourself mispositioned during play, reset by moving back toward the center line and hold the assigned key briefly to regain optimal coverage. Doing that prevents easy tap-ins. If the cursor feels sluggish or overactive, tweak sensitivity in settings and repeat drills. If problems persist, lower automation and rebuild timing slowly until saves become consistent. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.